Today, me and my friend are going to one of the best cafe here in Lebuh Melayu, Georgetown, Penang. That is Temu Cafe. Let's go. This cafe operation hour is from 10 a.m. until 7 p.m. every day. Located at Lebuh Melayu in Georgetown, Penang, this charming coffee shop is a brainchild of proud coffee aficionado. Temu, which takes on a Malay word for me, promises a feast for the sense. A display of brilliance is evident in the adaptive reuse of the existing characteristic of the pre-war establishment. It settled in one that is recognized as UNESCO Heritage Building. The alignment of age-old and timeless element is not only a sight to behold but also a unique atmosphere to experience. Expect to be greeted by the heavenly aroma of freshly brewed coffee as you step inside.
Outside of us, don't know where this is gonna end up. He might not even be the right one.
There are many interesting menus that Temu Cafe serve to their customer, but we have choose 3 items, which is smoked duck teriyaki, fruit on toast, and classic tiramisu. The first menu is smoked duck teriyaki. The duck perfectly smoked to a tender perfection, then glazed with a luscious teriyaki sauce. The first thing that captivated my sense is the aroma, the rich smoky essence that immediately sparks. As you take the first bite, the tenderness of the smoked duck is a symphony for your taste buds. The smokiness wrapped around the juicy meat, creating a harmonious blend of flavors. The teriyaki glaze, it's a sweet savory dance on your palate. In summary, the smoked duck teriyaki is a culinary masterpiece that elevates traditional flavor to a new height. Next is fruit on toast. Picture slice of artisanal bread, toast to a golden crisp, serving a vibrant medley of fresh ripe fruits. As you take your first bite, the crunch of toast bread harmonizes with the juicy burst of flavors from the fruits. It's a textural dance where the warmth of the toast complement the refreshing coolness of the fruits. So, the next time you are seeking a symphony of flavor and texture, embrace the delightful experience of fruit on toast. The last menu is classic tiramisu. Imagine delicate layer of espresso soaked ladyfingers nestled between velvety mascarpone cream, dusted generously with cocoa powder. As you dive into the first spoonful, the coffee-infused ladyfingers impart a subtle bitterness that harmonizes beautifully with the rich and creamy mascarpone. Classic tiramisu is your ticket to a world of unparalleled indulgence. For my conclusion, Temu Cafe has many best menu to try it, and all the taste bud based on my experience. So if you think the other of it, it's up on to you.
기억은 쌓여져 내 눈알에서 못 떠나 이내 그렇게 이내 이렇게 너는 내겐 언제나 If I can make sense inside it all 기억 속의 순간 눈을 쏟는 순간 후회만 가득한 순간 너와 모든 시간들이 날아가다가로 너 하루 커피숍 feeling it I feel it with your mind 잠시 채워질 텐데 잠에 들 수 없어 밤새 Here and now, here and now 뜨는 눈은 날 메울
make sense 세상에 널 피할 수 없는 순간 되돌릴 수 없는 순간 후회만 가득한 순간 너와 모든 시간들이